Okay, so a couple of you guys have asked me in the past about how to digitally draw on the images. So I just want to make a quick video showing you guys. So if you guys did want to make the graph digitally, again, you can feel free to hand draw this and take a picture of it if you want. But if you want to do this digitally, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click right here in the link where it says graph, and then go ahead and just click on the link. It's going to open up the document for you. Now remember, this is my document, so I can edit on it, but you can't. So you're going to need to make a copy. Okay, so to do that, go to File, make a copy, and then name it what you want to. So I'm just going to name it Walkathon Graph, and then whatever your name is, I'll put Tran in my case, whatever folder you guys want to keep yourselves organized, and then press OK. Now it's going to make a copy of the graph, but this time you can go ahead and edit it. Now there's two ways you could so from here we need to draw the lines, the graphs for the different participants. So let's go ahead and say that I want a participant 1. Okay, so I'm gonna make up the information, but let's pretend that participant 1 goes 5 miles in 2 hours. So we're gonna need a point right here. Okay, well, how do I do that? There's two different ways. The easiest way is from here, you click on this arrow and you're just gonna hit scribble, so you could just, you know, free draw and draw wherever you guys want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a point here by holding my cursor, my mouse down, I'm sorry, and just making a big bold point. Okay, and in this case it's black. Since I have 3 participants, I'm going to want a specific color, and to do that I just click on line color and choose whatever color I want. Let's go ahead and say pink or magenta, and then the next point is going to be right here. Okay, and then finally I'm going to have a point right here. Let's say I wanted my points neater. This is a little sloppy. If I wanted my point a little neater, instead of using the freehand scribble, I could click on shapes and I choose a circle, and from here I could actually just make a circle. So I'm just gonna make a circle at this point right here. Okay, I need to make sure that the color is correct, so I'm gonna click on again, choose line color, and just choose magenta. Okay, now it will be the same color. Okay, it really doesn't matter, I'm not really looking for neatness in that regard, but from here I do need to make a line, and the line does need to be a line, a straight line. In this case I'm going to also include the arrow. Okay, so I just need to make sure I start at the origin and connect my points to show participant 1, and again I'm going to make sure I choose magenta. Okay, so that's how I could create it on the graph. Now the second part, and this is probably the more difficult, I was trying to find an easier way, but I couldn't figure out an easier way. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to actually go to so let's say I wanted to include it here. I'm gonna delete this old graph by just clicking on it, hitting delete. Okay, I want this whole image, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and go to File, and this is really weird, you guys probably haven't done this before, publish to the web. Okay, medium size is fine, I just want a link. Let me hit publish, press OK, and it gives me a link. I need to copy this whole link. Okay, so just copy it by hitting Control C, or you could right click copy, and then I go back to the Google Docs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click insert right here. I'm going to go to image, and I'm going to go ahead and go to by URL, so I can paste the link or the URL here. I just go and right click paste or Control V. It's going to show an image, and I just hit insert, and now I have my graph on the Google Docs. Notice it did get cut off. That's okay, but yeah, I have my graph here. You will need a line for each participant, so you should have 3 different colors on your Google Drawing before you guys insert the graph. Okay, please let me know if you guys have any questions on this.